Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, so let's get started. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my orange sauce chicken. So let's get started. So I'm sauteing the 5 sweet yellow peppers and the 4 red peppers. I have a half a white onion because I had it left over, 1 small purple onion, and 3 celery stalks. So now I'll saute this until it's nice and soft. I'll add some of this mixture to my chicken and then some of the mixture to my rice. I have 2 chicken breasts that I boiled and diced up. So as soon as I'm done with the peppers, the onions, and the celery, I'll add some of it to the mixture. Then I'll combine it all with this sauce. They're all nice and soft, so now I'll turn my burner off. I have my rice cooking in this pot. I took a cup of the peppers, the celery, and the onions. I have it in my cup. I'll place it in my rice. I'll mix it around. I also peeled 2 mandarin oranges and then I cut them in half. I'll add some of these to my chicken and then some to my rice. So I have a half a cup of mandarin orange that I cut in half. And the rest of my mandarin orange I'll cut in half and add that to my chicken. So into the rice this goes. I'll place it in. Mix it around. When all the water is absorbed, that's when I'll add in some of that sauce. The same sauce that I'm putting in my chicken. So now I'll take my chicken breast, add it to my peppers and onions. Mix it in. I'll put my burner on low. So now I'll place the rest of my mandarin orange in with my chicken and peppers. Mix it around. Check on my rice. Looking good. I'll add a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Mix it around. Now that the water has absorbed, I'll turn my burner off. I'll salt and pepper the chicken. Mix it around. So I opened up my bottle of orange sauce. I'll take a half a cup and place it in my rice. Here's the half a cup. Mix it around. Looks good. I'll give it a try. That's good. So now for my chicken, I'll take that orange sauce, a half a cup, and pour it over my chicken. Mix it around. I'll see if I'll need more. If I do, I'll just add in another half a cup. I'll place another half a cup in. Yeah, so 1 full cup on top of your chicken. That looks good. So I salt and peppered my chicken again. Mix it in. That orange sauce is all over my chicken and the peppers. I'll give it a try. That's good. So now that the sauce is all spread over the chicken, the mandarin orange, the peppers, the onions, I'll put some in a little bowl. I'll check on my rice. Oh yeah, that looks really good. I'll turn my burners off. I'll put some on my plate. So I'll place a little of the rice. I'll place some of the chicken on top of my rice. That looks good. So I'll give it some salt, some pepper, give it a try. I have the chicken, the peppers, the onion, the rice. This is really good. Got a piece of the mandarin orange. This sauce is really, really good. It's like sweet and spicy at the same time. Deserves a third bite. Enjoy. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make my orange sauce chicken. It's really good. It smells good. It's nice and spicy and sweet at the same time. Give it a try. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.